In this video, I will show you how to make tabs in Shopify product page. Let's get started. In order to do this, head over in here on your apps. Search in here for tabs. Then from in there, click on search tabs in Shopify App Store. Now you can't do this if you don't integrate an app with your Shopify. So in here, what we can do is you can click on this SEO tabs. Just click on this one. And then as you can see, they have a free trial as well as a free plan available for them. So you can just choose which one is for you. For me, I'll just choose to install it. And then once you have click on install, it will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your Shopify dashboard. So from this one, head over and click on install. Then once you have clicked on install, it will show you the dashboard of this specific application. So just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. Now in here, once it's done the loading process, you should be able to see in here the tab stage like app billing upgrade, wherein you just need to choose the plan that is right for you. It can be yearly, monthly, or anything, but for now, you can just choose to continue with free. So for now, I will just continue with the free. Now what we can do is you can click on this right here in order to enable the app extension. So click on this one, and then in here it will open the Shopify editor in order to successfully integrate ourselves to our website. So in here, you can see the app embeds. And as you can see, it's been turned on. So click on save right here in order to save the turn on process. Then head over in here again. Now let's head back and set up product tabs. Click on the set up product tabs right here. And then once you have done that, you can also just use to generate product descriptions for you. So for example, click on generate right here. And then let's click on this one in order to add this. So you can upgrade this, but you need to have a plan in order to upgrade the tab product description for this one. So let's head back first again. And then in here, we should be able to see this one. So you can choose to put in here a default tab title. Let's make this our actual tabs. And then include the first tab and tabs block. Make sure to include it, or to also do not include it. Click on save right here, and as you can see, this will save the progress. Next thing to do is we need to head over and then just choose the next product, which is this create shared tabs right here. You can create custom shared tabs for multiple product pages. So click on this create shared tabs. And on this thing right here, we can see all the shared tabs. So click on add shared tab since we don't have any yet. So for this one, just put in here search tab type. It can be a rich text, HTML, or with view up right here. Now on this one, you just need to put in here a description for this tab. Then apply to all product right here, or you can also put in here some exceptions. So I'll just make this active, and let's name it my shared tab. Then you can put in here some actions or some things that you can do, or some sentence that you can say. This is our collection. So I'll just put in here something like that. After that, click on save right here. Then after that, let's go back. Then as you can see, we have now a shared tab. So let's head over again to the tabs that we have. Then you can also customize your tab. You can generate product descriptions using AI. You can have their languages as well as their help center right here. So once you have done that, you can head over in here again. As you can see, we have now this app embed on our actual page. So let's try to add another section. And on this section, you can actually add application. And on this application, you should be able to see the app embed for your tiny tabs right here once you have put in your product. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave that or subscribe because it's not reach more people. See you soon.